Hi there, YouTube! It is a miserable and mucky, cloudy, wet, cold day. Absolutely horrible in the Peak District. CB500X, eh? Well, what we'll be doing today, thank you for the people that have subscribed. I'm a bit overwhelmed, really. You know, we're over 200 now, and couldn't ask for any more. Couldn't ask for any more. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. So, thank you for the people that have, you know, been liking the videos and 14% liking the videos and sharing and stuff like that, and obviously subscribing. You're my brothers and sisters. So, we are off to bit of off-roading today, and there's a little place I want to go. Basically, the new Mission Impossible film with Tom Cruise, obviously. He's in. Up here, they're basically be doing just off the side of a quarry. They're going to be chucking a train off it or something like that. He's going to parachute or, I don't know, jump off it basically. Here we go. Ugh. I'll sit down at first and see how she goes. So it's just over there somewhere, this quarry is. He's jumping his Thomas the Tank Engine. There's moments like this, I must admit, I'm glad I've got the old sump guard on, regardless if it's a small one or a big one. Any protection's better than nout, I'll tell you that. Right, bit of gravel. It's a bit of mucky. I'll just go through. Nothing special. Nothing special here. Bit clayey. A bit of clay. That's all it is. Stand up now. Alright, I'll go through it. In third gear. Just letting the let's stand up now, it's getting a bit harsher. Standard suspension's pretty good. I've softened the back up just to let you know. But not too bad actually. I mean, I like to just tug through it. Nothing, don't like to go too fast. I like to just let the revs, let the bottom revs just tug her along, 2.5, 3, something like that. Lovely. Easy. Not wrong with that. Not wrong with that. Dab a back brake. Hill start on this stuff. There's no way behind. Nice and easy. Nice and easy does it. Oh yes. Very good. I reckon you could put road tyres on this and this would be fine. I really do. Oh, just nice and comfortable on this stuff, just chugging along. I've been down here before. Oh, I think I have. I think so. I think I was here on my CB. Pretty sure, because I had a tinker there. Pretty sure. CBR. A couple of years back. I did like 280 miles on it. Something like that. Please be careful. You might be allowed in. Let's have a go anyway. So I know public highway straight on. Footpath, no way. Yeah, it's this way, isn't it? It's gotta be. It's an old place, this. Old place. Public highway. Oh, breaking some stone up. Right then, it is somewhere down here. We're just coming up to it. Oh, I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, I'll take a picture. Yeah. I wouldn't want to be jumping off a pissing train, I tell you that. Especially going into a quarry. Oh, no. Stick to the CB myself. Well then, we're ready to go. Tell you what, it's pretty impeccable, this this CB. It's done quite a lot today, considering. Yeah. There they are, the old security guard. Yeah, so wrong gear done. Jump off there, and when you watch the film, you remember Rider Dan was there. He told me about it first. He'll be coming up here, probably full chat in his I don't know, Land Rover of some sort, fighting the baddies, punching them. Rider Dan coming the other way on the old CB500X, swearing at him. Bloody Americans, bloody Americans. Oh, you know, Jason Bourne coming out of the sky, tackling him, making sure he's okay. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh yes. And then I'll pull over. Tom Cruise, Jason Bourne, jump on the CB500X, blast off down there on the CB, jumps onto the train, rescues the damsel in distress. Whoa. The CB500X is the hero. Well, I assume it's going to be the hero. Of course it is. Of course it is. Always wear a hard hat. No shadiz. No shadiz. I think she's going to need a wash after this. See, put the power down any second. Even though there's a bit of clay in there, like a weird chalky sort of stuff. She's all right. Yeah, if you want me to do a review, just let me know and I'll stick one on. Of the Bridgestone Battle, I think they're called CB500X A40s. Oh, there's a big in here, look. Yeah, could be Tom. Could be Tom. Right then, I'm going to be heading back now. As you can see, the black cloud is descending. So I'll be getting on the old trusty steed and heading home. So let's try and turn around in one go. Oh yes, easy. Second gear. Right then. So yeah, if you hope you enjoyed it. Bit of a different video this time. To be honest, I thought the oh, that is a picture and a half. Look at that. I thought the roads were going to be a bit worse than that. Wanted to put the bike through a little bit more of what it's capable of, but then again, it's done it well with no issues, didn't bottom out or anything like that, or lose grip front or rear. Brakes didn't lock up, you know, all the usual stuff. But you know, she's done well. So thanks for all you people that boys and girls that have got this far through the video. But thanks again, and just remember to like and subscribe and ding dong that bell in the corner. That way you'll get all me videos as soon as they come out, which will be every Friday. You might get one around about Tuesday or something like that, Tuesday or a Monday, or a Tuesday. Might pop a little video up now and then, so just keep an eye out for that. But yeah, thanks for watching and enjoying the little adventures that I'll get myself into. I haven't come across any big major ones yet. I don't know if you can, no you can't see, but yeah, that's where we was. And let's pull in here. That's where we was. Quarries over there, so with Mr. Tom Cruise. But yeah, that on the yonder, that's quite, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that's the bit of marshland. There is I think a couple of roads going through there, so I might end up going through there one day. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll get myself home, wash the old girl, and get ready for the next adventure.